I don't care how little it might look to you, but I am here to share with you the achievements I got this January on this YouTube channel. First of all, I will have to talk about what led to this achievement. And the thing is the number of posts. I mean, I posted 2 times in a week, making it 8 videos per month. I mean, 8 videos this January. And as of the time of filming this video, none of these videos I posted in January got lesser than 100 views, apart from one, and of course the last one I posted. That is because if I post videos, it usually takes some time. I mean, it's not even hours, it takes days for it to like pick up proper. These videos that got 200 views, most of them, it takes them 5 days, 7 days for them to get to where they are. So I think for me, it takes me longer time to, accumulate the little views I am having right now. I don't know if that is how it happens to everyone, but please, if you know why it happens, please tell me in the comment section. And if it's happening to you, I mean, you post videos, yes, you get views, but it takes weeks for you to get to the views you are right now. Please tell me in the comment section. Let me know that I am not alone, because I've been thinking a lot. Why does it take longer time for my videos to, pick up? Another achievement I got this January is that 2 of my videos went viral. But before I go into that, someone requested that, I should create a WhatsApp group where YouTubers connect. When, for example, you post a video, you can share it there. Those who are interested can click on it and watch till the end. Then subscribe, comment, giving your video that few audience, the first few audience your video needs to be pushed by the algorithm. So I have considered the request, and I've created a WhatsApp group that we can use in executing that. So if you're a small YouTuber like me, I mean, you have small channels, I mean, you have a growing channel, please, you can click on the description box to join the WhatsApp group. Let's do this together, because we need to be monetized as soon as possible. So the first video that went viral it's not really viral to you, but for someone who is having maximum of 200 views, it's a big win for me. I created that video 5 months ago. I mean 5 months. And that video was just having 50, 100, 200. Then in December, it went to 400. And before we enter January, as of the 6th of January, I checked it and it was 800 views. Then I started posting. The first week, nothing. Then the second week of January, the video started picking up. I mean, it started picking up so fast, and it went to 1.6 thousand views. It's small, right? But for someone who is having 100 views, it's a big win for me. And it got a lot of comments, subscribers, and then likes. So it's a big win. Then the second video that went viral was created 7 months ago. Yeah, it was one of the first, I think it's the third video I posted on this channel. It started picking up. Yeah, it actually went viral back then, and it stopped at 3.8k views. It was just like that till January, and it kept going, kept going. And as of the time I'm filming this video, I checked and it has 5.8 thousand views. I mean, from 3.8 to 5.8. Yeah, like I said, people who go viral, they are usually higher views, but I'm very happy for this. I mean, if all my videos are like this, I wouldn't complain, right? Then moving to the subscribers, as of the 6th of January, I had 394 subscribers. And now, I mean, as of the time I am filming this video, we have 510 subscribers. That means in the space of January 6th to the 1st of February, because that is when I filmed this video, we have 116 subscribers. Like, I am very happy, because these are the subscribers I got in my first 5 months of being on YouTube. Seriously, 5 months I had just 100 subscribers. And then it was when the other video went viral, I beat that, those other subscribers came in. So having 116 subscribers in 1 month is a big win for me, because I couldn't even achieve it in 7 months. So God did. And for watch hour, as of the 6th of January too, I had 200 watch hour. I mean, my 7 months of being on YouTube, I accumulated just 200 watch hours. But as of the time I am filming this video, we have 553 watch hours. Meaning from January 6th till now, I got 353 watch hour. Like, hey God, I told you already, it's a big win for me. I couldn't get this in 7 months. I mean, 7 months, I got just 200 watch hour. And this 200 watch hour is from one video. It was one video that gave me that. So all the videos I've been posting in 7 months gave me nothing. I mean, 2 watch hour, 3, 4, at least if it's too much, 5. But this one video gave me 200 watch hour. So for me to have 353, hey, if it was back then, it should have been it would take me extra 7 months plus to get it, but I got it this January. And if you're wondering what changed, I mean, why I'm getting faster results that I couldn't get in 7 months all in 1 month, well, what changed is God. Like, God helped me. I mean, He showed me that I was on the wrong path. Apart from showing me, He helped me learn. I mean, learning from my mistake. And He also helped me implement. It's one thing to know that you are doing the wrong thing. It's another thing to learn from your mistake. And it's another thing to stop that and start implementing the right thing. I mean, what you learned. So God helped me. He opened my eyes and I started putting it. I mean, to you, it's small. Yeah, but these small changes, I mean, these small wins will lead to where I want to be, which is being monetized in 6 months. So what did I learn in this month? Because I'm always learning. I told you what I learned from my past mistakes last month, and I showed you everything. Which, if you haven't watched that video, go and watch so that you learn if you are doing the wrong thing and start implementing. So this month, I learned consistency. I learned that if you are consistently doing the right thing, of course, you will get results. It might not be as big as you envisioned it to be, but at least it's better than not having results at all. I mean, as I'm filming this video, I am so joyous. Like, I'm very, very happy. I wouldn't have been like this last 5 months, right? If you are doing something and there is no result, you will be dull. I mean, you will be reluctant. You just push because people are saying push. But now I'm not pushing. I'm not making this video because people said make the video. I'm making the video because I am grateful to God and because He gave me results. I mean, that little result is pushing me to do more. So because of this consistency, if I haven't been posting, I mean, if my channel is just there, I mean, those videos wouldn't have picked up. Most of the people that came to watch the new videos I posted, they clicked, watched, love it, and went through my channel, watch few of the videos. And you know one thing about watching videos, when 5 to 10 persons, even one person watch an old video, YouTube will automatically remember the video and start pushing it. So because the new people that were watching my video went back to check my channel and watch other videos, I was able to get views from there. YouTube remembered it. And of course, these two contents are evergreen content and also relevant content, how to generate AI pictures, and then the necessary tools you need to start your content creation is an evergreen content and are very, very relevant, especially now that people are trying to go into content creation. So because it's relevant, the more people watch, the YouTube is pushing, and as YouTube is pushing, they are watching, and it kept pushing, and that was it. So consistency. If I wasn't posting, people wouldn't have watched. It would just be there. And from this consistency, I learned something. I have decided to, I posted twice in a week last month. I've decided to increase my, what is it called? Okay, I want to increase my pace, and I've decided to start posting 4 times in a week. Let's see what the Lord will do for us this month. If He was able to do, it's not by power, it's not by might, and if He was able to crown my effort with just 2 videos a week, I know that He's going to double, triple, or increase my efforts this time around. So I've been ranting, but I know that this ranting is actually going deep into someone's heart. So if you are a small YouTuber, I want you to learn from this. Don't stop. For example, you have already given up. I mean, your 10 months old channel that is not growing. I think it's time for you to actually pick it up now. My first video this year, I said I want to monetize in 6 months, and I learned something, and I said, okay, if you guys should join me, let's start this journey using these new strategies that I have learned. And it's working for me. I mean, it's working. You just saw it, that is working. So I would love you to join me on this journey and learn from me. If you are down already, this should inspire you that if you start doing the right thing, I mean, if you go and watch that video, you go to your channel, see what is working, what isn't working, what you ought to start doing. So if you start doing it, I assure you that you are going to get results. And why being by getting results or while doing it, make sure you are consistent. Be consistent. How will you know you are doing the wrong thing? You need to go to your analytics and study it. What is your audience loving? If they love one particular content and you left it behind, just like I did back then, and be doing what is in your mind, stop. Retrace your step back to that first one that they love and start doing it. At first, the reviews will not come well, but with time, to still call back those your audience. And if none of your videos are doing well, if you have to change your niche, do. It's very important. I changed my niche from being one particular thing to being the niche myself, sharing my journey, what helped me in my journey, I share it, and results started coming in. If it requires you to change your niche, good. If it doesn't require you to change your niche, go and research for what people in your niche are doing that is giving them results and start doing it. It's not a copy and pasting, it's not stealing content. It is you implementing the right thing. If it gave them results, it will give you results. Even if you don't have the audience, and maybe it gave them 5,000 views or 100,000 views, and it ends up giving you 100, 500, 1,000. It's not bad. At least it's better than not having at all. With time, they will love what you are doing, and the content will be pushed at last. Even if the old ones wasn't pushed, the new ones will be pushed. So if you're a small YouTuber, don't forget to click on the link in the description and join the WhatsApp group, and also drop in the comment section. Some people will not join the WhatsApp group, you should know. So drop and connect with people in the comment section. You can be the first person and people join you, connect. And while connecting, please don't just subscribe on someone's channel without watching their video till the end, or minimum of 4 to 5 minutes, and then drop a comment. Please don't just click on the video, like, and go out. You are killing the person's video. And that is it for today. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you for being the instrument that God used to help my channel to take shape. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for your support, and thank you for watching today. See you in my next video. Bye.